If you want to generate high-resolution consistent AI images for free, watch this video until the end. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Honor. I'm a computer engineer, and since 2013, I've founded multiple companies in software and digital marketing. In recent years, I've been focusing on AI projects. Today, I'll show you how to generate high-quality consistent AI images for free using Google Labs ImageFX. But before that, we'll craft a structured prompt using an AI model like ChatGPT or Claude. These images can be used for creating AI influencer accounts on social media, producing video content for platforms like YouTube, or making stunning visuals for creative projects or films. We start by opening ChatGPT and pasting the structured prompt you see on the screen. This prompt tells ChatGPT to create a consistent character with unique physical traits, describe 3 different scenes featuring the same character, and provide detailed descriptions in 2 structured paragraphs. I've pinned this prompt in the comments, so you can copy and tweak it however you like. Once ChatGPT generates the 3 prompts, we copy the first one and open Google ImageFX. We simply paste the prompt without changing any settings because I've optimized it for the best image quality. ImageFX then generates the first set of images. When we check the results, we see that they are exactly what we wanted. At this point, there is a critical detail. Every generated image has a seed number. Locking the seed number ensures that all future images maintain the same character and style. This is the key to achieving consistency in AI-generated visuals. Next, we copy the second prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into ImageFX, and generate new images. Our character now appears in a cafe, holding a cup of coffee. Sometimes, ImageFX generates 4 images, sometimes just 1, but the important thing is that the character remains consistent across all images. We repeat the same process for the third scene. This time, ImageFX generates 3 images of our character, now in a park setting. When we compare the images, we can see that the model remains the same, with only the background and slight variations changing according to the prompt. If you're using Claude instead of ChatGPT, the exact same process applies. I won't go into full detail again, but I'll show a quick sped-up demo of how I did it in Claude. As you can see, the images generated with Claude maintain the same consistency as the ones created with ChatGPT. Now, let's move on to our final topic. If you want to generate an animation character or a landscape instead of a human figure, you'll need to make a few adjustments in the ImageFX settings. While you can achieve this through prompts, it's useful to familiarize yourself with the interface and understand how these settings work. So what are these settings? They allow you to control how the final image looks. For example, let's say you want to create a game character. After writing your prompt, you can select the minimal option and change it to detailed for a more refined result. There are many other settings available, and you can adjust them based on the outcome you want to achieve. As you can see, this leads to a completely different image. By locking the seed number, you can generate as many similar images as you need. Additionally, you can use the aspect ratio settings below to produce images in your desired dimensions. And that's it. By following these steps, you can generate consistent AI images for free using LLM-powered prompting and ImageFX. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you in the next one.